Okay, welcome to Projecthackertv. Been 4 years since I put up my last video. Only 2 of them. Yeah, I'm just relaunching my video show. So things has changed quite a bit, but so this is my lab right there. Very messy at the time. I was doing some straightening up, put a new top up there to make it more presentable. Everything. So what I'm hoping to do for this video series is to work on different projects, show it and post it up on YouTube. So for the next couple of videos, I'm gonna be setting up some packages I'm gonna send to Dave Jones. That's a EEVblog in Australia. So that's the stuff I got from the Demo Electronics show that I went to early this month. Today is the May 18th. The show was on May 1st and 2nd. That's a Wednesday and Thursday. So get all kinds of free swag from the different vendors or different people showing. Bob from Power Pack was there, or 102. That's the friend I work with. So let me see. And I also done sent a package to Fran, Blanche. She's based out back east, Pennsylvania, Philadelphia. So I'm gonna do a show on that too, showing what I'm gonna send and the letters I'm gonna send. Right there. So still in the process of cleaning up. I'll do a different show on all the test equipment, all the equipment I have. Right there. I'll do a show on my 3D printer. Haven't been using for a couple of years. And my desk right there. A little light project I done for Bob at the little amusement device to help draw in customers to the booth. So do a video on that. And when I was at the Double Electronics show, Aero Electronics, that is a electronic distributor, company that like Master and Dizzy, that you go online and you can buy all kinds of components for your project or for production, for products for companies and stuff like that. Okay, so I'll start posting more videos in the days to come. So stay tuned for more videos from Projecthackertv. So signing off right now. So bye for now.